Alright, now if you hear that whine, I don't know what it could be. To get a better look at everything, but I don't know if it's alternator whine, which it could be. The air conditioning's not on, so it seems to be everything runs on one belt on this car, so it could be. I'm going to have to check all the pulleys. And we're going to give it an oil change too, because on a pass to Hyundai, it would start to do this noise. And give it an oil change and it would go away. It's kind of awkward, but let me hit the accelerator so you can hear it. And if any mechanics or anybody out there can give me advice. Okay, air conditioning's off. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright, let's turn the air on. And kick the air on. Sounds the same, there's no difference. So it's air on or off, it's the same thing. It's a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. If anybody has any advice, please feel free to leave a comment. And if I find out the problem myself too, we'll go ahead and post the fix for it. Thank you very much for watching.